Is your old fireplace gathering dust? Do you remember the warmth and comfort of a crackling fire? Don't let those memories fade. Breathe new life into your home with the Optimyst Revive by Dimplex. This innovative vapor fireplace is designed to transform your existing hearth. With its realistic flames and logs, the Optimyst Revive creates a mesmerizing visual display that mimics a real wood-burning fire. No messy ashes, no harmful emissions, just pure enjoyment. Use with or without heat, the Optimyst Revive offers the best of both worlds. The best part? No venting is required, so you have the freedom to place it anywhere. And with a convenient pull-out drawer for easy water refills, you can enjoy uninterrupted flames for hours. Don't let your fireplace be forgotten. Simply transform your space with the Optimyst Revive by Dimplex.